Samsung has its work cut out for it if it wants the Galaxy S24 Ultra to remain a contender for the finest smartphone on the market, particularly after the iPhone 15 Pro series and the Google Pixel 8 Pro delivered such strong performances. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is scheduled to be unveiled during one of Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events in the first quarter of 2024. Typically, Samsung's event takes place in February, with products available for pre-order on the day of the event and available for purchase roughly 2 weeks later, but recent reports indicate that the South Korean tech wizards are pushing for an earlier showcase in the face of mediocre sales of its Z-series foldables, not to mention the launch of the Pixel 8 and iPhone 15. How early are we talking? If Twitter tech tipster Revegens is to be believed, Samsung will take the stage sometime in early January. This is backed up by another trustworthy leaker, Cat Avatar Dunning Ice Universe, who predicts that Samsung's flagship product will most certainly hit store shelves on January 18, 2024. If we accept this information as genuine, we can probably forecast Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra release timetable as well as the pre-order release date. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a strong new octa-core CPU that has showed some very promising scores in LeakGeek bench data, is the first. While these numbers are impressive, they are from a pre-production prototype and may be misleading about the final performance of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. That being said, if they are accurate, we could be looking at not only Samsung's most powerful device to date, but also the closest on-paper competitor to Apple's awesome A17 Pro chipset. We now have a basic notion of what to anticipate from the Galaxy S24 Ultra's RAM and storage, according to Twitter tipster Revegens. Revegens tweets not only imply that the S24 Ultra will be available in 8GB and 12GB RAM versions, but also in a variety of storage combinations. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will appear a lot like its predecessor at first sight, yet there will be some notable modifications when it comes to design and display. It will also have a whopping 2TB of internal storage. According to an IC Universe tweet, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will ditch the curved display in favor of a flat screen, while maintaining the same general design. This has prompted some to conclude that leak measurements show chunkier bezels, however this might be explained by the all-new titanium chassis' continuing curvature. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.